Hi there and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. It feels like forever since I've sat down and done one of these kind of videos because it has been forever. I think it was back in November since I sat down and actually filmed a video. Everything has been stuff that I either had pre-filmed or been vlogs because we had a bunch of travel, and then in December, we were all so sick, and that kind of continued until the middle of January, and now it's February and I'm finally catching up and back on schedule and all of that good stuff. So today I have an unboxing for you. I would not normally probably film this as an unboxing, but I don't have enough stuff to do a haul, and I did order something, so I wanted to show it to you guys. So Shop Disney had a big sale this past weekend, President's Day weekend. I think it went from Thursday to Monday. And it was their friends and family sale, and it was 25% off. So this is a great time to pick up things that you want, because even if you're an annual pass holder, you can get a 20% off discount on merchandise in the parks, but 25% is even better. So I had my eye on something, and I was going to pick it up on a future trip, hint, hint, hint. So I wasn't gonna order it before our trip, but at 25% off, I knew that it was kind of the best price that I was going to be able to get, so I ordered it and it came today. So I ordered it on Sunday and today is Thursday, and it came very, very quickly. I did get free shipping, and I actually ordered something. I had to order two things because I wanted to hit $75 for the free shipping. So without further ado, let's see what it is. Okay, so it did come in this rather large box, and as always, I'll show you. It has this beautiful Disney tissue paper. It's so pretty. Actually, sometimes I have some of it in the basement. I've actually saved some of it. But so let me put it down. Hold on. So this is what I got. I got the Loungefly red sequin backpack. This is actually my first Loungefly purchase. Yeah, this is my first Loungefly purchase. I actually don't have any Loungefly bags, which is kind of funny because you'd think that I would. I have a couple Harvey's bags. I have Disney Harvey's bags, and then I have a Dooney and Burke bag, but I do not have especially one of these backpacks. I don't know how that's ever happened. I do have a Loungefly wallet in the hot pink. It was called something else, but I can't remember what it was called, that I got from a Bibbidi Bobbidi box. I will go ahead and link that video up here and in the description box below. But this is the first time I've ever purchased something from Loungefly, and it is my first Loungefly backpack. So let's take a look. That's probably really loud in the camera. I like how there's this foam on here that keeps the ears kind of protected. It's kind of cool, isn't it? I think I'm gonna actually keep this because if I travel with the bag, a lot of times when we go to Disney, I bring multiple bags, and so I end up packing bags in my suitcase. And so I feel like this will do a good job of keeping it. And I may, depending on how I store this, I may actually keep it stored like this. So there she is. Isn't she beautiful? Sorry, you're getting a little bit of reflection from... I have the blinds closed because it's super bright outside right now. The sun is out and it's been snowing, so it creates a big glare. So you're kind of seeing that, but she is a beauty. So I wanted to get this bag because I love the Loungefly backpacks. I love the printed backpacks, but I feel like maybe it's not as versatile as a solid color. And when I go to Disney, I end up wearing a lot of red. So I thought this would just be a great bag for the parks, especially now that my son, sorry, I'm looking in the viewfinder, especially now that my son is a little bit older. I don't have to carry extra stuff for him, so I feel like I can go to a little bit smaller bag. So let me undo it and let's take a look. All right, so I took all of the packing and stuff out, and there it is. The inside of it has those, can you see that? The really cute little mini bows, and then the front pocket is good. I don't know how practical it will be, especially in the parks, maybe just for lip gloss and that kind of stuff, maybe some tissues. It feels like my phone is gonna have some problem. My phone's a little bit bigger, have some problem. First I thought I could put my vlogging camera in there, but I think it'd be better to stick it up top. I did want to show you that there was this foam thing that was in the front pocket. which is good once again for traveling or for storage to help it keep its shape. So I think that if there's one advantage to like ordering it versus getting into parks is kind of these like foam kind of things to help keep it look really nice. But there it is. I am just beyond super excited. Oh look, it has like a little pocket here on the side. Okay, the sun is doing me no favors today, so I just had to flip the blinds. But I wanted to show you like the little pocket on the side. That's really nice. There's one on each side. It is really small, so I don't really know, maybe like a receipt or something. I don't feel like it's secure enough to put like your cards in there or anything. But I do like the little pockets on the side. And there she is. So let me tell you how much she was. Okay, so Loungefly backpack, this backpack was $90, which feels like it's really steep to me. I feel like a few years ago, maybe not, but I feel like they were like $60, $59, $90. So that's a lot for like a little Loungefly backpack, especially because I feel like with the sequins and stuff, it's a little bit more delicate. It's not a bag that I would probably use at home all the time, especially also because whatever. I end up carrying like a huge tote bag at home because I just feel like I'm always like schlepping a ton of stuff. So it's not like an everyday bag that I would use at home just because of my lifestyle and everything. So it was $90, and with the 25% off, it was $67.50. I did have to spend $75 for free shipping. Otherwise, the shipping was like, oh, like $11 or something, which seemed like it was a lot. So what I got was, I got this. This is actually, I got it from my husband. It's a luggage tag. It is Haunted Mansion, and I can't read it backwards. I'm sorry. It says, "A ghost will follow you home," and it has the Hatbox Ghost. I thought that was really, really cute. I think he really liked it. So that was $12.99 was the price, and I got it for $9.74, and then I got free shipping. So I think that was what the deal was like if I spent $10, I'd get another item, and I would get it, get free shipping. So, and then the back of it says Haunted Mansion, and it says Foolish Mortal. Isn't that cute? It's kind of big. Like that's my hand, and that's how big it is. And that has, this is nice. It has like a little buckle closure. So this is really cute. I'm not sure it's worth $12.99, but for $9 and then I got free shipping, we'll go with it. So that is my unboxing. That is my purchase. Did you pick something up at the Friends and Family sale on Shop Disney this weekend? If you did, tell me what you picked up in the comments below. And tell me what you think about my new bag. Do you have this bag? Do you have a Loungefly backpack? Am I gonna love it? Is it too small? I'm just clearly so excited that I have this bag. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights,